today on Mr. Bubbles. Guys, welcome to the Mr. Bubbles channel, where we dish out awesome pressure washing business advice to beginners. My guys are here today. We're doing more of these water management facility buildings. Look at that one, guys. That is like a 50-60 foot tank full of water right now. He's hitting it with, oh man, I want to say, I think he said 5%. Of course, the thing was all black. You can see here with these tanks, you know, how sludgy they look. Look at this. Look at this one. You see it on all there, algae, mold, mildew. And you can see it good on this one too. But anyway, that is not the purpose of today's video. Even though you can see my guys there in the background here working. Look at that. Oh, look at this one here, guys. Look, check this one out. That one's pretty big too. Look at that. And he's gonna go up here. Let me show you. There's a ladder here. Yeah, you know, I know I'm gonna get questions about, oh, how did they do the top? How did they get to the top? Well, there you go, right there. There's a ladder on these tanks right here. And this ladder goes all the way up there, guys. And yeah, that's how they're doing that. They got to do these tanks, this building, and that little shed. But yeah, guys. Like I said, you know, the purpose of today's video, actually, we're going to talk about administration. If you guys go back a couple days ago, we did a video where we were talking about sales. And today we're going to be talking about administration. As you guys well know, administration, the A of SOMA, right? SOMA, S-O-M-A, stands for Sales, Operations, Marketing, and Administration. And the reason why, guys, I wanted to talk about administration with you today is because I am coming up here in the next 15 days or so on my 2-year anniversary with Jobber. As you guys well know, Jobber, the CRM, you know, CRM stands for Customer Relations Management software. Jobber is think of it as like our administration operating system for Mr. Bubbles. That's how we run Mr. Bubbles. Look at this, guys. Right there, look, he's washing the building. He's actually downstreaming the building. He's going to downstream while the other one is hitting everything with 6%. I'm sorry, I think he said 5%. Yeah, I misspoke, guys, 5%. So anyway, yeah, Jobber, guys. The bottom line is, you know, you want to use a really good system, and the system that I recommend for you guys to run your business. I mean, I don't care. I don't think it matters if you're in your first day, second day, your 20th day, or you could be 20 years in. You should be using a CRM to run your business. You know, not, you know, going by text or memory alone, writing things down. You know, that is going to lead to not very good results for you. With Jobber, you can keep everything right there. You know, your customer information, send invoices, billing, all of that stuff in real time. Get your money right then and there. So, you know, that's the way that I would do it. And by the way, before I forget, because sometimes I forget, I'm going to put the link to Jobber so you guys can get a free 20-day, 14-day trial. It'll be linked in the description of this video. Go ahead and sign up for that, guys. The things that I'm going to say on here, don't take my word for it. At the end of the day, I'm just some guy on the internet. And, you know, go ahead and try it out for yourself. Go on there. You're going to see, guys, for yourself how awesome Jobber is. I mean, it is the best system in the industry, pressure washing. The reason why I like Jobber so much, guys, is because, one, I'm a big dummy when it comes to like computer stuff, so I find it super easy to navigate, very, very easy to learn. Like, it took me, guys, like, I want to say maybe a few hours, maybe, to learn how to use the system. Like, when I say, you know, learn how to use the system, you know, how to put in a profile, how to like make an invoice, send out an estimate. You know, when, you know, like when a customer calls you and says, oh, you know, you guys did a great job, can you send out an estimate? Like, doing all of those things. Like, it only took me about an hour or so on Jobber for me to figure all that stuff out. And on your free trial, you'll be able to, you know, you'll be able to do all of that. He got snagged up right there, his line. But yeah, I would definitely use Jobber because, one, it's really super goofy proof, easy to use. And number two thing that I really like about Jobber is that Jobber can grow with your company, meaning like you can get their whatever their minimum standard package is for, you know, beginning companies, which I think is only like $80 a month. Don't quote me on that because, you know, prices do change from time to time. And then, you know, as your company grows, oh, look at that, guys. That's already looking pretty good. Really good. As your company grows, what's going to happen is, wow, this side here looks good too. You know, as you take on more employees and things of that nature, guys, you're going to, you know, you're going to be able to go on there and sign up for some of their better packages. And so Jobber will be able to grow with you as well. And the third thing that I really like about Jobber, guys, which is actually my favorite thing about Jobber, is that great customer service, guys. Like, you know, if you have any question or anything, it's easy to get a hold of these people. They'll help you. They'll do like, you know, like, what is that thing called? Well, they'll get on a computer with you and share your screen, and they'll show you how to do things, and they'll do tutorials. Love me some Jobber. Highly recommend Jobber for your business. Definitely, guys, you know, if you're thinking about starting a pressure washing business, don't even think about doing that without first, you know, signing up for Jobber. And that's real easy to do. But guys, take my word for it. You know, I've been through it all. You know, when I first started my business, I was doing everything with pen and paper, and then, you know, it was a mess. I lose customers' information, I lose people's phone number, their addresses, and it's a mess. You don't want to go that route. Definitely sign up for Jobber because it's going to make a big difference for you and your business. And then also, you know, it'll make your business look like a $1 million business from day one, guys, because that's, you know, Jobber, that's what all the professionals like myself here, Mr. Bubbles, that's, you know, that's the CRM that we're using. So I would definitely jump on that bandwagon. Guys, you know, thank you so much for watching this video, by the way. Man, I got a lot of great content for you guys, always right around the corner, so stay tuned. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bubbles out.